Hey guys, in today's video I'll be reviewing the top 8 best miter saws. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to rank them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to know about the best pricing and more information, you can check the description links below. Number 8 in my list is Evolution Power Tools Miter Saw. Most miter saws require a change of blades if you plan on cutting materials other than wood. Not so with the Evolution Power Tools 10-inch multi-material sliding miter saw, however. Its premium Japanese tungsten carbide-tipped blade easily handles a wide range of materials, including hardwood, reclaimed wood with nails, mild steel, rebar, aluminum, copper, electrical conduit, plastic pipes, plexiglass, rubber, and composites. The saw has a 15-amp motor and no-load top speed of 2,500 revolutions per minute. It can cross-cut wood up to 11.75 inches wide and cuts bevels up to 45 degrees and miter cuts up to 50 degrees in either direction. And with the included laser guide, you'll always know that your cuts are precise. The dust bag keeps sawdust under control for a cleaner workshop. Number 7 in my list is Milwaukee 6955 Miter Saw. Cutting trim, baseboards, siding, and other panels requires a dual bevel for clean cuts on either end of the piece. Since baseboards and other trim are typically long pieces of wood, a sliding dual bevel blade is the best choice if you'll be taking on such a project. The Milwaukee 12-inch dual bevel sliding saw comes with many handy features in addition to the dual bevel blade to make cutting trim, baseboards, and similar items quick and painless. The carbide blade is 12 inches in diameter for wider cuts. When even more width is required, the blade moves back and forth on the sliding arm. With a dual bevel cutter capable of up to 48-degree angles in either direction, this blade is also a perfect choice for people wanting more drastic bevels in their woodcuts. The 15-amp motor is one of the most powerful drivers on the market, capable of up to 3.3 horsepower to chew through denser materials. Number 6 in my list is Makita LS0815F Miter Saw. For woodworkers looking for a miter saw for the workshop or to take on a job site, this Makita tool doesn't disappoint. It cuts boards up to 12 inches wide, and it features pull-out material stabilizers to support boards when cutting. Weighing in at only 31 pounds, this miter saw is easy to transport, and it bolts to the worktable for stability. The Makita saw comes with a dust collection port, and for added safety, it features a trigger brake that stops the blade from spinning when the user releases the trigger. It also comes with a soft start that reduces movement and increases accuracy. The saw also cuts bevels in both directions. We like this saw's smaller blade, as it appears not to deflect, meaning to bend or misshapen while cutting, like a 12-inch saw might. The motor was powerful enough for a smaller saw, but the cut capacity was outstanding. The soft start is a little rough, giving the saw a bit of a chattery feeling until the blade speeds up. Our other complaint is that the blade will not tilt to the right, limiting the saw's capability a bit. Number 5 in my list is Craftsman V20 Miter Saw. The most significant benefit of the Craftsman V20 is its small footprint and lightweight design. Also, the ability to use it even when electricity isn't available is a plus. Lithium-ion batteries are getting more powerful, and this miter saw can make up to 585 cuts through a 3-inch medium-density fiberboard on a single charge. It accepts a Craftsman 20-volt rechargeable battery, which is included along with a battery charger. This miter saw features a powerful motor that spins the blade at a rate of 3,800 rotations per minute, making it well suited to cutting wall studs, baseboards, and molding with ease. It also slides, making it possible to cut boards up to 8 inches wide. We weren't exactly sure what we'd find with the Craftsman V20 saw, mainly due to its weight and the large number of plastic pieces. But it was easy to put together. It cut well, and it was shockingly quiet. We could see using this saw for projects like flooring or trim work, though it did handle the construction lumber. Our only real qualms were the plastic and the single bevel action, rather than dual. Number 4 in my list is Dewalt Miter Saw. Anyone looking for a miter saw that does almost everything well may want to check out this Dewalt 12-inch sliding miter saw. The saw comes with a powerful 15-amp motor, and its sliding rails allow the user to cut a board up to 16 inches wide. With dual compound action, there's no need to turn a board over to cut an opposing angle. Just tilt the blade arm in the other direction. The Dewalt Miter Saw also features a bright LED light that illuminates the cutting field so the user can see exactly where they're cutting. And it comes with a collection dust bag designed to catch up to 75% of the dust it generates. This Dewalt saw proved to be a great miter saw during testing. Despite not having a laser guide, the onboard LED and powerful motor made cutting a breeze. We appreciated the large cutting capacity, though it does come at the cost of requiring a lot of room for the rails. Also, instead of turning a knob to lock the saw angle in place, this saw uses a locking lever for quick angle changes. Number 3 in my list is Metabo HPT Sliding Miter Saw. Sometimes you stick with what works. We dubbed the Metabo HPT C12 RSG2, formerly the Hitachi C12 RSG2, the best miter saw for the money and also our best budget miter saw for pros. The tool comes with some street cred, as well as some big shoes to fill. It's the second, possibly third with the renaming, iteration of the original Hitachi C12 RSG. When Metabo HPT Hitachi originally designed the C12 RSG, they gained a loyal following of woodworkers by offering forward-thinking features. Now this saw continues to deliver. We like the fine adjustment knobs for both bevel and miter settings, the vertical handle, and the zero clearance rail system that made the original saw a really big deal back in 2006. When you can get a 10-inch sliding compound miter saw for $269, that's something worth looking into. The 15-amp Ryobi TSS 103 miter saw spins the blade at 4,600 RPM and has a 12-inch crosscut capacity. You get handy features like an LED cut line indicator and work light to illuminate your material. You can miter 47° left and right, and a 1-to-1 by 4-inch dust port connects to many dust extractors to keep your garage or shop area clean. Lastly, you get a 3-year warranty. We've cut with enough Ryobi saws to know that it won't power through tough material as well as top-of-the-line products. It will, however, give you the ability to tackle DIY projects without fail. For the occasional users, this gets our nod as the best budget miter saw for homeowners. Number 2 in my list is Bosch ProFactor 18-volt miter saw. The Bosch ProFactor 18-volt cordless 12-inch miter saw is an attention grabber thanks to its axial glide sliding system. However, its performance and accuracy are what make it a keeper. If you're in the market for a cordless miter saw, we highly recommend giving Bosch's ProFactor line a shot. Without the battery, the saw weighs 59.3 pounds, which isn't bad at all for a 12-inch dual bevel sliding miter saw. Still, if you're going to take this to the job site, which is why you want a cordless saw in the first place, we recommend using a rolling stand to make it easier on you. There's not a great carry system built in, and do you really want to heft that much weight around anyway? There aren't a ton of quality cordless 12-inch miter saws on the market, and Bosch priced the Surgeon pretty competitively. Without a battery and charger, it runs $769. Adding the charger and 8-core 18-volt ProFactor battery brings it up to $929. Number 1 in my list is Bosch GCM 12SD 15 Ampere Miter Saw. The Bosch GSM 12SD Axial Glide Miter Saw provided the smoothest cutting we'd ever experienced thanks in large part to its axial glide system rather than standard rails. Our best compound miter saw launched way back in 2010. It still beats nearly every other saw we've used for tall standing crown cuts and vertical base clearance. Bosch still makes this sliding miter saw, and its newest models seem to focus on more maneuverable 8.5-inch saws. Those also come in both corded and cordless models. When making this recommendation, we took into account our entire catalog of sliding compound miter saw reviews. The $599 Bosch Axial Glide remains one of the most powerful saws with the absolute best cut quality. Since it also allows for some of the highest trim clearances across the back fence, it reigns as the best dual compound miter saw. If you want to shave some weight off the Bosch GCM12SD with only minimal capacity loss, consider the Bosch CM10 GD 10-inch glide miter saw at $589.99. You can get a lighter model with the same excellent cutting performance. Alright guys, this was our today's video. If you find this video helpful for you, then like the video. And if you come to our channel first time, then hit the subscribe button for our amazing upcoming videos. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the updated price of all products discussed in this video. Hope you have a great day and see you soon in the next video.